Hey guys, this is Karthik Kantwal from Apex Finser and I'm back with your daily dose of charts for tomorrow's trading session. Without wasting much time, moving on to what's new for tomorrow. Starting with the first one on the equity side, as usual, we have the first long position on Sun TV, where we're going to go for a simple role reversal trade, resistance turn support at 485, stop loss at 479, and ideal targets 1% on the upside as usual. Moving on to the second one is Jubilant Foods. Similar to Sun TV, we are going for a really easy role reversal trade. We had a support broken on the downside, turn resistance now reclaimed, and it has started fresh higher low formation as well. So we're going to go for a long at 2750, stop loss at 2720, ideal targets 1% on the upside. The third one is HDFC Bank. Again, we're going to go for a long position. Now, banks, to be honest, quite a lot of banks have rallied today. HDFC Bank not so much, so I do expect to see a good up move on this one in the coming days. We're going to go for a long at 1410, stop loss at 1390, ideal targets 1% on the upside. The fourth is a short position on Maruti, which to be honest it was making nice high lows, but now it has transitioned into lower highs. So we're going to go for a short at the nearest swing point at 7700, stop loss at 7800, ideal targets 1% on the downside. Moving on to the last trade on the equity side, we're going to go for a short position near the extreme swing high on Hindalco at 255, stop loss at 258, ideal targets 1% on the downside. It's pretty conservative, but let's see whether it is triggered or not. Now, talking about the indices, yesterday, if you remember, I told you that Nifty is outperforming Bank Nifty and that Bank Nifty has to catch up with Nifty. That has actually happened today. Nifty, if you see, we had a really slow opening, and after which there was a small pullback. I told you guys any pullback near 14050, 14075 is a good entry point for longs. And to be honest, you had a pullback till that point, and then was a smooth 100 points up move. For tomorrow, I would suggest any place or any price near 14125, 14120 is a nice entry point for longs, with the stop loss being just under 14050. Now on the charts, Nifty of course is a buy only right now because it's making really strong high rise and higher lows, and there's no weakness visible right now whatsoever. When I talk about the option chain, that resembles the same opinion. We have immediate resistance at 14300 with 1 million added contracts, significant at 14200 with 750,000 added contracts. On the downside, we have support at 14200 with 1 million added contracts, significant at 14100 with 1.7 million added contracts. Even the PCR of volume has been decreasingly bearish over the last couple of days. It went from 1.1 to 1 yesterday, and today it is 0.93. So even the option buyers are pretty much being skeptical while buying their put options. Let's see what's in store for tomorrow, but very simply said, pullback is a long opportunity on Nifty right now. Moving on to the second index that we have, which is Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty, Kalka chart, if you guys remember, I told you guys it was in a really flat trading range between about 31,000 LK all the way till 31,500. Now it has broken out of that range really strongly, and we had these three zones yesterday as well. I told you guys the extremes where you can go for counter trade positions, or if you're trading the middle one, you can go in the direction of sustenance. Either way, if you had traded the breakout or the pullback idea, you could have made a very easy 200 to 300 points on Bank Nifty. For tomorrow, similar to Nifty, Bank Nifty is long at pullback. Every pullback is a potential buy opportunity, but I would not like to take longs, at least not at this price. I would wait for a small pullback of around 150 to 200 points. It might be in the opening. Whichever way it is, I would like to observe the first 30 to 45 minutes of price action before making a conclusion on what to trade on Bank Nifty for tomorrow, and I advise the same for you as well. When I talk about the option chain, Bank Nifty immediate resistance is at 31,800 with 73,000 added contracts. Significant is at 32,000 with negative change but total 1 million open interest. On the support side, however, 31,700 is there with a healthy 251,000 added contracts. Significant is 31,500 with 420,000 added contracts. Even the PCR is more or less towards the neutral side at 0.1. If it was just like 0.02 or 0.03 decimals under, I would have considered it neutral. so it's not really that bearish anymore. And I would treat any price near 31,500 a valid entry point for longs on Bank Nifty, with stop loss going under 31,300. Now this is it. This is all that I have for tomorrow, guys. This marks the end of tonight's video. I hope you guys are liking the analysis and the content. If you are, let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel and press that bell notification icon as well. Also, please join the Telegram group @ApexFinServe. I post all the charts and the option chain analysis there every day before the market opens, so that you can make good use of that content. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a really nice trading session tomorrow, and I hope you have a good night's sleep tonight. Have a good night. Bye.